Hello students, now we'll go for question number 6 in exercise 11.2 and read the question, understand the question, then you do it. Let ABC be a right triangle in which AB is equal to 6 centimeter, B is equal to 8 centimeters and angle B is equal to 90 degrees. BD is perpendicular to AC, then the circle through BCD is drawn. The circle through BCD is drawn. Construct the tangent from A to this circle. Clear children? Okay. First what is given? Let ABC be a right triangle in which AB is equal to 6 centimeter, BC is equal to 8 centimeters. Okay? I will explain roughly, then you do it. Clear children? What is the first one? Triangle we have to draw. Suppose I am selecting AB is the base. You can take even BC also, that is up to you. What is first one? AB I am selecting AB. What is here? 6 centimeters. Clear? Now BC is equal to 8 centimeter. Right angle at B. B is equal to what is given? 90 degrees. Using the compass you have to draw. Clear? Otherwise you can go for the protractor also, that is up to you. Using compass it is little better. First 60 degrees, then 120 degrees and then middle of that two. Clear? What is here? It's a 90 degrees line. What is length of this one? BC is equal to what is? 8 centimeters. It is a perpendicular 90 degrees. Using the compass, you can draw this 90 degrees bisector. Clear? 90 degrees line. Then join AC. This is triangle formed. What is triangle ABC formed at B is equal to what is given? 90 degrees. Now next step is BD perpendicular to AC. That we have to draw. Clear children? Perpendicular line we have to draw here. Exactly from here to here, how many degrees? 90 degrees. This is the D. Here BD is perpendicular to AC. That is given already. Clear children? Yeah. Using protector or using the compass also you can do. From this point you can select exactly, or this also you can select. Exactly what is here? 90 degrees. Then angle bisector if you draw you will get 45. That is perpendicular to this one. Clear? Now this is BD perpendicular to AC completed. Now what we have to do is the circle through BCD we have to draw. Clear? BCD. For that what we have to do is draw a perpendicular bisector of BC. Draw a perpendicular bisector of BC. BC is this line. Clear? For this perpendicular bisector we have to draw. Clear children? Here BC is equal to what is given? 8 centimeters. More than half we can select. We have to select. Using B as a center, C as a center, two arcs, this side and this side. Okay. And passing through this one, draw a perpendicular line. Clear children? In this, we have to draw the stone. Suppose you can select as this is a O dash or O, that is whatever you can select. This is the perpendicular bisector of BC. Yes. Now O as a center. O as a center. Draw a circle. Yes. It is passing through what is given here? B, C, D. O as a center. Then C as a radius. O dash C as a radius. Draw a circle. Put different color here. So passing through what is? O, B and here D. O is the center. C is passing through C, B and D. Clear children? That is given. B, C, D is drawn. Completed now. Then what is the next step here? What we have to draw? Tangent we have to select. Clear? Yeah. Now join here OA. O dash A. Join it with the red Yeah, joining O dash A. Clear? Yeah, just roughly I am drawing. You have to do properly. After the circle, next what we have to do? Join O dash A. Now O dash A perpendicular bisector. O dash A perpendicular bisector. O dash A perpendicular bisector. Again, more than half of that one. A as a center, O dash as a center. Perpendicular bisector we have to do. Yes, please draw it. Suppose this is like this. Yes, this perpendicular bisector, this one, both the O dash A is intersecting at some point. Can select as some K or something, whatever you want. This line O dash A and this perpendicular bisector intersecting, both are at K. Yes, children. Now K as a center. After that, K as a center. This one as a center. Here O dash as a radius. This like this. Draw one semicircle. Clear, children? O K as a center. K as a center. O dash as a radius. Draw a semicircle. Like this. This is the semicircle. This touching at A exactly. What we draw here? Semicircle. This semicircle you observe here and this circle both are intersected some point here. Clear? Then from A to this point draw tangent now. Clear? From A to this point, whatever is the point. Suppose you can select as this is the P. Here what is here? Previous circle. Okay. Then again this semicircle, both are intersected at P. Now draw a tangent. What is the tangent here? AP is the tangent. Here we know already AB is the tangent here. Clear? Now what is asking? Construct the tangents from A to this circle. First one completed and AP and AB. Clear? Okay. I'll go for again one more time repetition here. Clear, children? Listen properly everyone. First one what is given? Let ABC be right triangle. First we have to draw AB as the base and 90 degrees. Then how many centimeters? 8 centimeters here. 6 centimeters. Join AC, then triangle formed. After triangle, what is the next step? Here BD is perpendicular to AC. We have to draw one BD perpendicular to AC. Yes? Yes. Using angle bisector you can do it. Then after that, what is the next step here? BC perpendicular bisector. BC is 8 centimeter. Then more than half that one using this. We will get it here exactly intersected O dash. Clear, children? Then O dash C as a radius. Draw a circle. This passing through what is B comma C comma D. B, C and D even it is passing through. Clear? Then after that next point is join O dash A. O dash A. After that perpendicular bisector of O dash A. This one, this is the new line. This perpendicular bisector and O dash A both are intersecting at K. Clear, children? Now OK as a center, O dash as a radius. Draw a semicircle only we are drawing. From O dash intersecting old circle and touching at E again. Yes. Now this semicircle and old circle both are intersecting at some point, that is we are selecting as P. Then AP is the tangent. Now this also you know both are touching. What is here? EB is the tangent. Clear, children? Yeah. Construct the tangent from A to this circle, both completed now.